Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Nowadays it's raining a lot in my country, so I thought let's show you this. It was raining a lot. It was really good view and the weather was good. I quite like this weather, and today we're gonna do doodles. I was thinking about doodles a lot and I didn't try to do a lot of time. Like it's been a long day, a long time that I have done doodle, and so today I thought let's do it. At first I thought let's do a doodle with numbers, so I thought let's draw the 7 first because the 7 number is really important for us, for army, for British pants. So that's why I drew the number 7. I thought that I'm gonna just do the numbering doodles. I'm gonna play with numbers and do everything with numbers, but then I thought, because I wrote the 7 number in the middle with so big, then I thought let's add some more BTS things like their names and logos and something like that. But then I thought let's add some more things, some random things. Actually, doodling is all about whatever you have in your mind. There is not something that particularly that you have to do at least this thing, at least able to apply this thing. There is nothing like that. You can draw anything that you want in case of doodling. Doodling is kind of a mind, like you can do with free mind. You can draw anything that you have in your mind. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just grab a pen and do it. For the first some minutes I try to focus on numbers, that I'm gonna add some numbers like from 1 to 10, and I tried to do as much as it possible. But at the last moment it was all got messy because I'm not at doodling, so I was pretty much struggling with it. Here I'm just using two pens, just black. One is signature pen and another one is ink pen. You can do with any pen that you have, any pencil that you have. You can also use coloring pens. You just doodling is not something that you need to all arrangements and something like that. Just grab a pen, have some spaces for it, and just do it. I was thinking a lot that what I should do, because I don't have that much ideas about designs, and I'm always scared about ruining my art piece and ruining my drawing or sketch or painting, whatever you say. I'm always scared about it, and sometimes it happens that at the end of the painting or making that art piece, I am regretting that, oh, why I did that, it's not looking good. So I was having that pressure in my mind that if I do this, what if it doesn't look good. But then I thought at the last moment that it's just a doodle, so you don't have to think anything in. Just uh, let's do let's do some random pieces. I was thinking about only about butter, that buttery thing. Like, you need remember the butter MB from BTS. Then I tried to add whatever I want. Some crayons, books, rainbows, airplanes, letters, everything that I wanted to try. I didn't think that I'm gonna do it with BTS theme. So you are gonna see some of BTS related things here, and also some random things. So it's not totally about BTS, it's just that I'm thinking about it, I'm doing whatever I'm liking. There's nothing actually I'm doing. Actually, I'm just doodling, so don't try to make a meaning everything. And I wanted to do it, so that's why I was doing it. I really enjoyed this part, like drawing that donut. I really enjoyed it. It took almost 30 minutes for me to do it, and it was quite a long time. And I wanted to add more things, but I didn't add because it was already long. And if I need to make this much long video, then I have to make this thing so fast, and it's not gonna be you are not gonna enjoy. So that's why I thought, let's not do just this fast, and let's just stop right there. Doodle art are the names given to the drawing that a person usually draws without raising his hand or her hand, also known as simple doodles. People often make doodles while their heads are intense and thinking about other things. In this way, beautiful works of art can come out. This is said by Google, and also I think this is true. And nowadays I have so many things in my mind because I have my final exam ahead, and I have to cut a really good mark, and I'm really worried about it, kind of. So I was thinking about it, but it didn't refresh my mind like doing this, because maybe I did it after really such a long time. So that's why maybe it was not able to make my mind that much refreshing, but it helped kind of, because I did what I wanted to do. It was kind of fun, and I also want you to guys to try it because it's really fun, and some people are really good at it, like really really good at it, and I really love it that some people are really good at it. And I get encouraged by their art pieces and artworks. It really encourages me a lot. I was trying to draw as much as I can, like, and putting their random song names, their names, everything. But at the end of this video, you will see that it's looking quite good, which is a really good thing for me, and I'm happy for that. I feel like Doodle's gonna help me. Why I'm saying Google and Google's again and again when I'm doing Doodle. My mind is kind of tired, but I have to keep it up. And I really enjoyed it, and I really loved the finishing part, the ending part. It was really good. We are almost at the end of this of our video. We are done with it, and I'm gonna try another doodle art in future too, because of course I wanna do it. It's almost done. Keep practicing, guys. You'll be able to do good in someday. Like someday you'll be able to do good artworks. So don't get disheartened, just keep practicing, you will be better someday. We're almost done. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.